The car you see here is the Li Mega. This is an electric vehicle. The price of this car is approximately $78,000. You can see it. The exterior design of this car is very unique. There's a sense of the future. Of course, some people say that this car looks like a high-speed rail. In fact, the sales results of Li Mega are not good. After announcing the starting price of the car at $78,000, more than 10,000 customers who have paid the deposit have unsubscribed. Poor expectations for Li Auto's future sales. Capital markets have responded. Li Auto in Hong Kong have fallen 8%. But the Li Mega is currently facing a greater crisis. On the Chinese internet, there are many people who believe that the back of this car looks like a coffin. Do you think so? For many Chinese people, the coffin symbolizes death. They don't want their car linked to death. In 2023, sales of Li Auto ranked second among Chinese new energy vehicle brands. Li Auto sold 300,000 cars, second only to BYD. The Li Mega is designed in this style to get a lower drag coefficient. Personally, I still prefer this futuristic car design. I don't think the market for this car is doing well, mainly because it was overpriced. According to such a standard, the rear of most MPVs will look like a coffin. China's MPV car consumer market. The most important market is around $50,000. And Li Auto, that price exceeded many expectations. So they will hate Li Mega and support his remarks like a coffin. Like a beautiful woman. Many men can't pursue her, therefore slander her, claiming that she would bring misfortune to other men. We should be innovative in car design. Give more encouragement, rather than baseless criticism. If you like this kind of content, please leave a message and like it and let me know.